Customer invoicing used to sit behind a single permission. If you had it, you could raise an invoice, take the money, and cancel the debt with a credit note. Those are 3 different jobs, so they are now 3 different permissions, held by 3 different people. This is Emeka. He does not raise invoices. He banks the money that comes in against them. His profile shows view customer invoices, and record and edit customer invoice receipts. Notice what is not there, he cannot create one. Same page, same company, and the Create Customer Invoice button has gone. He records what somebody else billed. This is the invoice Chioma raised. Record payment is offered, because that is his permission. There is no credit note button and no edit button, because those are not. Bank account, amount received, the payment date, the bank reference and a note. Every field filled. This is a part payment, so a balance will remain outstanding. The receipt is posted, it appears in the payment history with his name against it, and the balance due has come down. Chioma, who raised the invoice, is notified that her money arrived.